All right, guys. You guys are doing a science experiment, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Sink or float.
Sink or float. All right. So you guys have
I think.
what are they? Sour Patch Kids in your
Yeah.
hand. And what do you guys think? Sink or float?
Sink.
And Meryem? Sink or float? Sink? All right. When I count to 3, let it go. Meryem, go ahead, Necati, so you can let yours in too. Sink. Good job. You're both right. All right. We did it earlier, but we'll do it again for the camera. Remember this orange? What did it do, guys? Did it sink or float? And don't drop it from too high. You gotta drop it lower. From here, you put it in.
I'm gonna do it.
All right, go ahead.
Float.
It's floating. Good job.
Yeah. Let's do the next side.
All right. What do you think is next? What else can we think of? Oh wait, you guys did something else earlier.
Me?
You guys did this earlier, right?
Yeah. Mine.
And what?
Take that out.
Oh, well, you can leave it in there for now. It's okay.
Let's do it. I think it's gonna float.
You think it's gonna float? Meryem, what do you think it's gonna do?
It's gonna float.
It's gonna float. All right, let's check it out. And it's what?
Floating.
Good
It's
job. You guys are so smart.
Alright, now this is
All right, what else is next?
So now we're gonna do a water bottle.
A water bottle?
Yeah, that's empty. And now let's
I don't
do
see one that's empty.
Wait, how about
You can go look around to see what else you can find. We can continue this. You guys ready to do this again?
yeah,
All right, what do we have? What's up first?
towel.
All right, who's going to do the first one? Necati or Meryem?
Meryem, because he wanted to do
She
that.
wanted to do that one. Meryem, you got the towel?
Yes, he did.
All right, Meryem, what do you think? Is it going to sink or float?
I think it's gonna sink because it sinks in the bathtub. Because it always sinks in the bathtub.
Meryem, you don't want to do this with us? You don't want to put that towel in to see if it sinks or floats? Okay. Necati is going to do it then, okay? All right. All right, Necati. Towel. Sink or float?
Sink.
All right, let's put it in and see.
Oh, it's floating.
It's floating right now, but I think if we left it in there, it would sink. I don't know. It's still floating. You can push it down. Go ahead. It's still kind of floating.
Oh, it's sinking now.
It's sinking now?
Yes, I'm pushing it into the
Yeah,
water.
once it absorbed the water, it sank.
Yeah.
Look, Meryem.
Oh, it's flying like a dolphin. And it's here. Oh, it's
All right.
sinking because I push it down.
All right, let's try the next thing. I'll take this out.
Alright, here we go. My hand is wet.
Your hand is wet?
Yeah.
All right, what do we have next?
A cherry. Grape.
A grape. All right, what do we think? Sink or float?
Sink because it's little.
All right, we'll see.
Sink!
Oh, yes, it did sink.
We're gonna sink.
Meryem, why didn't you just stay here? All right, we could leave that one in there. It's small, so it won't get in the way. What do we have next? And does Meryem, do you want to do it? Does Meryem want to go next?
A cup. Let's do a cup.
All right, do we want to give you want to turn? You want to go next?
I think I want to do it too.
All right, Necati, you're up.
Because
What do we think? Sink or float?
Float.
All right, let's check it out.
It's floating.
It is. It is.
Alright, now let's do this.
All right.
I think
What is that? That's a Connect 4 piece, right?
Yep.
All right, what do we think? Sink or float?
Oh. Sink.
Sink. It fell in. We found out because it fell. All right, we got some more things here. What is that?
A star.
A star.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do we think? Sink or float?
Float.
All right, let's check it out. You were right, and you got wet.
I got wet again.
You're right. Okay, what do we have left?
The Hot Wheels car.
Hot Wheels car. What do you think is going to happen? Sink or float? Why do you think it's gonna sink?
Because it's tiny.
Because it's tiny. You said the grape was tiny and it sank. What do you think? What do you think? What is that made out of?
What?
What is the car made out of?
Metal, I think?
Metal, yes. That's the main part of the car, and that's pretty heavy, right?
Yep.
So you think that's gonna make it sink or float because it's heavy?
Sink.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's try it out. Whoa, went way straight to the bottom. Good job. All right, you can come see.
Oh, it's going all the way up. It's
All the
going
way up. A
going,
little bit?
Yes, a little bit up.
Okay.
Look at that going a little bit up. You saw it moving up? Yeah, I saw it going up too. How I get those out?
I'll take them out. Don't worry about it.
I got my fingernail out. I got it in my finger.
All right. Do you guys want to say bye to everybody?